Welcome to the instructional video for creating 508 compliant web briefing videos. My name is Leslie Wanick, and I will walk you through the steps to use the add-in tools via PowerPoint, record audio for your presentations, upload the necessary files to Google Docs, then share the closed caption video URL. This instructional video assumes the necessary software is already set up and the presenter is comfortable using Microsoft PowerPoint. The web briefing team suggests using a quality headset for recording and recommends the Logitech USB headset model H530, which can be purchased for $45 to $50 through GSA Advantage. The headset can also be found at Amazon.com or through Google Shopping. All right, let's begin. Once you have the software set up and you have a quality pair of headphones, open the folder you stored the Create Web Briefings file in. For me, this is a folder titled Create Web Briefings, located on my LAN drive. Double-click to open the PowerPoint file, Start Here, and rename the file brief.pptx without the quotes. The Start Here PPTX has the NOAA NWS branded slide template, Slide 1, and an example, Slide 2. Edit one of these slides to represent the presentation you are working on, and delete the other slide. Please note, for the purpose of this training video, I have renamed my Start_Here PPTX to Instructional Video for 508 Web Briefings. Once you have the PowerPoint for web briefing opened, you have renamed the Start Here file, you can begin creating your slides. You will create your PowerPoint slides presentation as you normally would, with the exception that you will need to type in a transcript for the audio portion of your presentation within the Notes section at the bottom of the slide. As you begin creating your PowerPoint presentation slide, please keep in mind that the ideal length for a recorded web briefing video is 3 to 5 minutes. Once you have finished creating your slides and entering the transcript for each slide into the Notes section, it is time to record. There are two ways to record the audio for your presentation. The first method is to record slide by slide. Simply click Insert, then Audio from File. A record sound box will pop up, and you will then click the red circle to start recording and the blue square to end recording. I recommend you click and drag the audio icon off your slide so that it does not show up in your final product. If you are unhappy with your recording, simply click and delete the audio icon, then re-record. You will need to repeat this process for each slide that you have. The second method for recording audio to your presentation is to click Slideshow, Record Slide, then start recording from the beginning. Once the Record Slideshow box pops up, click Start Recording. This process will carry you through the recording for the entire presentation. If you have animations in your slides, as I do with mine, this is the method you will want to use to record your audio. Be sure to print out the notes or transcript section of your presentation ahead of time so that you can read them as you animate through the presentation. Once you are satisfied with the audio recording you have made for your presentation, it's time to convert the presentation to video. Click on Web Briefings, then click on the green triangle. This process may take a few minutes, up to 10 to 15 minutes depending on the length of the video, the size of the images used, and your computer's processing speed. You can monitor the video creation process by watching the green progress bar at the bottom of your PowerPoint. Once this is complete, a couple of different windows will pop up to assure you the file has been created to video. Click OK on each of these pop-ups. In order to assure the necessary files have been created, open the folder you have created for Web Briefings material. For me, this folder is called Create Web Briefings. Here you should see a new folder with the year, month, day you are creating the presentation. In this example, the folder is named 2012 March 15th. Open this folder. In the newly created folder, you will see several files. Be sure the MP4 video is complete, meaning it is not at 0 KB. Also, you will need to assure the full text has been created. Once you see the completed files, you are ready to upload to Google Docs. If you are not already logged into Google Docs, you can click the Log into Google Docs icon under the Web Briefings tab by the Create WMB MP4 icon. Once you are logged into your Google account, upload the MP4 file by clicking on the red Upload icon, then selecting the folder and the MP4 file you created. Once the uploading process is complete, click the X in the uploading box to get rid of the upload box. You should now see your MP4 video uploaded to your Google Docs. All that's left now to complete your closed caption web briefing video is to add the captions. To upload the captions, select the MP4 file by clicking on the box, click on More drop-down menu, then click on Manage Caption Tracks. Once the Manage Caption Tracks box pops up, click on the blue Upload Caption track, then click on Select File, and select the file for the full .text. Click Upload. Give the program a few minutes to complete the upload. Click Close. You can now test the process by double-clicking on the MP4 file. This should start your video, complete with audio and closed caption text. The next step is to download the subtitle file, which will ultimately be converted to an SRT file and placed on the Western Region web farm along with the MP4 via the Post to Web add-in. To do this, open Manage Caption Tracks once again. Click the Download button and wait for the SBV file to be placed in the lower left corner of your screen, where your downloaded files go. Left-click on the SBV file and select the Show in Folder. This will open to your Downloads folder, and the SBV file will already be highlighted. Copy and paste this file into your dated folder that contains all the files for the web briefing you are currently working on. Now click the PowerPoint add-in titled Convert Subtitle. Within a few moments of clicking the Convert Subtitle icon, a window will appear with instructions to transfer your dated folder, i.e. 2012 March 16, to the Western Region web farms using the Weather Story rsync guidelines. Once the files have been sent to the Western Region web farms, you can use the URL provided to place a headline on your NWS web page or to link to your web briefing video via Facebook. Click on the Convert Subtitle icon will also open a media player window and play your finalized product. If you are satisfied with your briefing, click the Post to Web add-in to send the necessary files to the Western Region web farms. Your Windows System Admin or Linux AWIPS LDAD System Admin will already have this process set up for you locally. Once you click the add-in, enter an expiration date for your video. Enter the expiration date and time in UTC as year, month, day, hour, minute, and click OK. At this point in time, congratulations are in order, as you have just created a 508 compliant web briefing video, complete with NWS branding, visual, audio, and closed captioning text.